Hi, I'm Josh and I've been getting a lot of requests recently for my onion bhaji recipe, so here it is. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, start heating a deep fat fryer or a pan half full with oil at 170 Celsius. Start by slicing 4 medium sized onions in half. Remove the skins and slice again into strips about 5mm wide. Add in the 2 sliced green finger chilies, the split red lentils, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a handful of fresh chopped coriander, and a small grated potato. Mix thoroughly and allow to sit for no longer than 5 minutes to allow the salt and spices to start extracting some moisture from the onion. Start to make the mix stickier by adding around 6 tablespoons of sifted ground flour and mix well with your fingers. Continue to add more ground flour, a couple of tablespoons at a time, until the mix becomes sticky and starts to cling together as well as slightly sticky to your hands. Now dampen your hands slightly, it stops the batter sticking, and take a small handful of onions. Mould them gently into the size of a small tennis ball. Don't press too hard as the middle will be unable to cook fully, and gently lower each bhaji into the oil. Allow to cook, stirring carefully for around 8 minutes until golden and crispy. If you have the oil temperature too low, the bhaji will become oily and soggy. Too high and you'll risk fully cooking the outside before the middle is ready, so make sure you keep an eye on it. I try to keep the bhajis in an order that I place them in the fryer, as that way I can make sure they all get the same amount of cooking time. If you're cooking in advance, store them in a refrigerator and warm them up again either in the oven or by heating up your oil to around 180 degrees Celsius and quickly frying again for around 1.5 to 2 minutes. This is what most restaurants and takeaways do. Remove when ready, drain and serve with some mango chutney or as part of your meal. My hot, sweet, sour mango chutney recipe can be found on my website. Please remember to like, subscribe and check out this and many other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.